This tutorial review will show you how to create a Gmail account. So first of all, open mail.google.com and then click on your profile here. Click on add another account. Click on use another account. Click on create account. And now you can create an account for yourself. You can create an account for your child, or you can create a new Gmail account to manage your business. So I'm going to selecting here for myself. And now enter here your first name and enter your last name. Enter here your username, which one will be your new Gmail ID. So as you can see, the username is already taken. So I'm going to selecting this one. And now enter here a strong password. Re-enter the password to confirm and click on next. Now you can add your phone number here and it's optional. Click here to change your country and enter here your phone number and it's optional. And you can add a recovery email address. Also this one is optional. Then select here your birth date. Select your gender from here and click on next. Click on I agree. And finally, as you can see, I've successfully created a new Gmail account. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.